finding you. Every day for us something new. Open mind for a different view.